Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our 1,000 Rand giveaway. Firstly, I want to show you a replay. So this guy, he had like a 50 Rand in his account, and he decided to put it into his betting site account and do some spins on Sugaras Xmas. And yeah, he told me that something unexpected happened. So let's see. It's not so long video, but yeah. And yeah, after this, guys, if you see that you are a winner, please email me with your details so that I can send you your money. And yeah, let's go. Wow, 400 and how much? 400 and yo, guys, 480 just from that rates. Yo. He was very lucky on that one. Nothing else but congratulations, my friend. Wow, that's a nice one. Thank you for sending it to us. Okay, so now we're gonna start with our wheel and see who's our 5 lucky winners. Okay, Thomas Jackson, congratulations. Second one, Gail Claessens, congratulations, Gail. Let's remove their names. And after that, we will see who's our third winner. Yeah, guys, please. Okay, let's spin it again. Please remember to send me your banking details. Victor van Wyk, congratulations, Victor. Let's remove your name. Don't forget to send me an email with your banking details, please, guys, because I'm not gonna send instant money vouchers. Okay, our last two. Liesel Pedro, congratulations, Liesel. Remove her name. Okay, so let's use our last one. Let's spin. Come on. Our last winner, Becky Leanza. Congratulations, guys, on your winnings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. May you have a wonderful day.